So, what attracted you to mindfulness or meditation?
Well, it was quite interesting actually, because I was a journalist in Washington, D.C., typical type A, running 100 miles an hour every day. And I had friends who I heard were Buddhist meditation people. And I had always been interested since I was a child sort of in that Eastern world. And so I asked them to please teach me how to meditate. So I sat with the husband, Robert, and he gave me meditation instruction. And what I discovered that day was that I could not sit still for 5 minutes, that I was actually coming out of my skin. And it was awful. It was scary. And when we finished the 5 minutes, I said, that was terrible. I could not even be still for a second, and my mind was racing. And he said, well, that's what you discover in meditation. So I thought that this was something I really needed to do in my life. I saw in that instance how really out of control my whole life was, even though I was accomplishing a lot. So that's how I got into it. And since then, I think I've actually dedicated my life to it, maybe unknowingly, but more and more interest in different areas of it and practicing and teaching. And it's become a mission for me.